Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute lion. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw its nose and mouth. Then 2 cute eyes. Now I draw the shape of a circle for his head. And his 2 ears. And his hair, which is very long and fluffy here around his head. Now let's continue with his body. And his fluffy tail. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Brown for his nose. And cream around his nose. I colored the ears and head with yellow. Then use orange here for his hair. And for his tail, pink. Finally, added a little green for the grass. Dark green. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.